Oh, hey guys, sorry. I didn't realize you was there already. Alright, look, here's what we're going to do today. I ordered a Bluetooth communication device. Now, this is the BT intercom headset. It's called, the part number is BT-52. You say, why didn't I get the Sena? I'll tell you. I'm a cheap bastard, right? So, we're going to install this on this helmet. It shouldn't be that hard to do. I've had a lot of Bluetooth headsets for general operating, but never for a motorcycle. So let's see what we got inside this box. Okay, I've actually opened this box and already charged these units. I have not paired them yet, but you have part of the mounting hardware. Alright. Instruction manual. You know we don't need that, right? Alright. What else we get here? Ah, a charger. No, that's for the camera. Alright, just a regular old charger. Well, I don't know if we're going to need that or not. We'll find out. I do know that there's some extra parts in here, right? Ah, but we're going to need these. Alright, here's the earphones. There's the huge boom microphone. There's the earphones right there. Alright. I've heard that there are some problems with some of these sticking in some, not going in the right spots on the helmets. But we're going to try these out. Let's see if there's anything else in here. Oh, nah, just extra stuff. We'll see here in a second. Okay, it looks like this is pretty simple. Simply push it in here, right? That's not a problem. And then this goes on here, and you screw it all together. It has a little Velcro pad here that looks like it would be kind of useless, but let's stick it on there anyway, right? I've seen other people do this, and they said that they couldn't get this clip to go in their helmet. They had a rolled helmet, but apparently mine's not that way, so I don't need it. But let's see if I can even get this sticky stuff off of here, because I don't have any fingernails. Hey, I've got one coming off. Not a fingernail. The sticky pad. So I'm doing all right. Oh, come on. Don't give me a hard time now. It's sticking all to my hands. Note to self. Don't mess with it later. Alright, so that was easy enough. Okay, it sticks right there. Does it stick this way? Okay, it's direction specific. Okay? Very simple, right? Oh, let's see. Alright, now of course this is going to stick here, right? Come back here. Alright. Look easy so far? Alright. The unit comes with a screwdriver. It's a little tiny screwdriver, but it'll work. Let's stick it in the hole. Yeah, I said that. Let's give it a few turns to get it started. Yep, that worked. Now we'll stick this one in. I have not paired these devices yet. Maybe I should have. The directions didn't say do that. I went back and read them. Safety first, right? Because if I mess them up, somebody's going to say, didn't you read the directions? And I would have to say no. Alright. It looks like a very snug fit. Why is that thing beeping a blue light? Did I hit a button? Well, I don't know. Look, it's bleeping, bleeping. Oh, now it stopped. Okay, that's good. All right. So that's what the unit looks like. Not a big deal. Now it says come back with the microphone, and it says thread it through the unit. That doesn't make a lot of sense to me. But if you know me, I'm slightly dense. Let's see. Oh, okay. Now it makes sense. Okay, well, there's no way to thread it through there. Okay. Let's see. It goes in right here. That looks right. Boom. All right. All right. That's in there. Now, apparently, we're going to have to take... I left the helmet padding in just for this here, right? Take this out. Okay. If you don't want to stick around for this, you don't have to. I'll show you the rest in here in a minute, okay? Okay, this might be a little confusing, especially since this is upside down, right? But I put the speakers in the ear hose. A lot of this wiring is for my mic, for my GoPro. But there's the other speaker in the other ear hole. Alright, right here, let's see. Right here by the clasp, I attached the boom microphone, which goes around here into the front of the helmet. I know it's awful huge, and it's right where you're breathing. I did find out what this is for. This is for a dedicated audio cable like you would have had 20 years ago instead of Bluetooth, which makes totally no sense to me unless you're just listening to music. But, okay, we don't need that, so it'll go the way of the directions. Okay, now let's put some of this back together, which isn't gonna be that much fun, truthfully. I hate taking these things apart and putting them back together. But what's a guy to do? I mean, having communications on your motorcycle ride would definitely be freaking awesome. So we're gonna make it happen. Now, I may not be able to make it happen because I'm not that technical guy. When it comes to anything, I pay somebody to do it. Now I do have a little worry here, and we'll find out when I do the the actual test and see how it all plays out. Is crossover from the GoPro microphone, if the electronics will somehow cross over because of the coaxial crossover. Now, hopefully I didn't cross anything to a point to where I'm going to have to worry about it. But I am worried about it right now. Now, I've discovered on my motorcycle vlogs that it's a little bit loud, it seems like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my microphone that I usually put sticking out above my cheek pad right here, and I'm going to put it behind the the pad, but beside the earphone. So hopefully it will pick up the audio from another bike and pick up my audio also. We'll see. Let me finish this up and have a look at it. Okay, so there the unit is attached. Everything is put away in there. There's the mic. This cord here is for the GoPro. So we will test this puppy out tomorrow.